Hello guys, welcome to Technefy. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you some 8 of my favorite Google tricks that you must try at 2020. So let's get started. If I give you a random number, long number and tell to find its number name, can you? Yes, you can. Using Google you can do it in just a few seconds. Type the number, type equals to and type English. Here you can see the number name is given by the Google. So let's go to the trick number 7. If you want to toss and not finding anything to flip, no problem. Go to Google and type flip or coin. Press enter. Wait. Here you can see tails and the toss is gone. If you want to flip it again, click here and the coin is flipped again. So let's move to trick number 6. If you want to do some mathematics and not finding calculator, no problem. Go to Google and type calculator. Press enter. Here you can see calculator in front of you. It can do the mathematics of yours. So let's move to trick number 5. You all may know the Google Chrome T-Rex Chrome game that comes when you are offline. If you want to play it even when you are online, no problem. Go and type T-Rex game. Wait some time. Place in the first option. Now you can enjoy the T-Rex Chrome game. And if you click here on the option called activate bot, the dinosaur will jump automatically. So let's move to our trick number 4. For this trick we have to go and type google.com. Now you all may know the trick called do a barrel roll, but do you know that you can control the number of barrel rolls? To do so, type do a barrel roll. Ten times. Oh sorry. Go to google.com. Sorry, you have to click on I'm feeling lucky button and click do a barrel roll 10 times and click on this button called I'm feeling lucky. And see here, the barrel roll is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's move to trick number 3. To perform trick number 3, you have to go on google.com again. After you are on google.com, click Google Square. and click on I'm feeling lucky. Wait for some time and type anything here. Yes, now the Google Sphere is running automatically. Here you can see. Now let's move to trick number 2. To perform this trick, go on Google and type animal sounds. And here you can see different animals. Press here. Press on the animal which you have to. You want to hear the sound of which animal, click there. Now let's move to trick number 1, which is my favorite. Mention your favorite in the comment. Go in Google and type Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz. You may all know this. You all may know this. Wait for some time. Click here. And after again click here.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
And after you reach here, click here again. Now this is the final and best trick. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next. Thank you. Don't forget to mention your favorite trick in the comment.